So, guys, without any more delay, let's get started with our strategy. And as I told you, it's going to be a very easy strategy, and I'm going to show you how to find a trend, and then how to place a trade on your trading platform. So basically, for this strategy, you'll need any chart, currency chart like Euro USD. Now, I'm using NetDania, that's netdania.com chart. You can use others like MetaTrader as well. And what you need to do next is, well, I'll need you to add 3 indicators, okay? And the first indicator that we're going to use is going to be moving average. This is the blue line over here on your chart. It can be a different color, but basically it's a single line. Over here, you can find indicators under Studies tab. So, let's say we want to add moving average. So we'll go to moving average, and it'll be the close moving average, and period will be 10. Another indicator we're going to add is parabolic SAR. Now, these are the dots right here. So you go to parabolic SAR, and the settings are maximum, step 0, 2, and incremental step 0.02. All right? The last one we're going to do is MACD. Again, just go to Studies, or you can go to Indicators inside your MetaTrader. And here you've got the periods first 12, second 26. Signal will be 9, and it's exponential moving average, EMA. So now we've got our indicators in place. So now I'm going to show you what I do exactly. See, we're going to use these 3 indicators and determine whether we should get on the trade or not. And I'm showing this on past performance. But I can see that there will be more trading opportunities today. But let me show you what's going to happen first. Let's say you want to sell, right? You want to sell your options. So, one thing I forgot to mention earlier is we're on a 5 minutes chart. But we're going to trade 15-minute options on our binary options account. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to check what's happening with our indicators. Now, the first condition for this to work is the moving average has to change direction. So if you want to sell, the moving average needs to change direction and go down. It has to start going down like here, okay? Now, the second condition is parabolic SAR, and you can see these dots. They go below and price is going up. They go below, but then when the trend changes, they go up, right? They go to the other side of the price candles. So, and the last one is MACD. And as you can see, MACDs, they got this 2 lines that cross over each other from time to time. And if you want to sell, this line should cross over above 0 line. So over here, you've got the 0 line. So they need to cross over above it, and you can sell. The strategy is pretty accurate. So let's see what happened here, okay? As you can see, moving average changed direction. Parabolic SAR went up, and there was an MACD crossover as the last confirmation above the 0 line. So if all of these 3 indicators are in place, you're good to go. Again, it's a 5 minutes chart, but we're going to trade 15-minute options, all right? Because this shows you the trend would change, and you can see what happened. Look, so we trade 15-minute options, and each candle on this chart reflects 5-minute periods. So 5 minutes here, and here, etc. You got the idea, right? Look at the difference in price. You would have made 85% on this single trade in 15 minutes, okay? So as you can see, all of the indicators are met, and we were correct, and everything changes. You can see the opposite situation, and I'm going to explain everything here in just a second, but let's maybe see what's happening here or here. So basically here, the crossover of our MACD came a little bit earlier, but it's still good. All 3 are in place, so we should go in the other direction. So if you want to buy, again, moving average should change direction and go up. Yeah? This is the opposite situation. It's going down, now it starts going up. Parabolic SAR was above the price at the time, but now it's changed, and it went below the price, okay? And again, we've got the MACD crossover, so all 3 indicators were in place. So at this point, it's a really good moment to enter. Well, there's just one more thing to remember, and that is all indicators must be in place. Don't try to trade if only 1 or 2 are in place. So as you can see, this is a really accurate strategy. My win ratio with this strategy is right around 90%, so that's pretty good, right? As you can see here, again, moving average changes direction, parabolic SAR crosses over, there was a crossover on MACD, we're good to go, all right? Again, here, parabolic SAR, going to the other side, moving average, changes direction. We've got a crossover. And as you can see, this is a 5-minute chart. So this situation happens like a couple of times, I'd say, every 2 or 3 hours. And it's not only the Euro USD. This strategy works on all major pairs. Look what's happening here. Parabolic SAR changed, moving average changed, crossovers a little bit delayed, but still, there was an opportunity to make money. Over here, parabolic goes up. Again, over here, moving average changes direction, and we've got the crossover. We'd be good to go, right? Basically, you check this strategy on a 5-minute chart, then you place a trade on a 15-minute option. That's basically it. It really cannot be easier to make money with options. And what I do is I like to trade 20, maybe 30 options a day with this strategy. And as I've told you, the win ratio is right around 90%. So that means 90% of my trades are winning. So enjoy the strategy.